The Redmi K80 series. You've heard whispers, you've seen the hype, it's been the talk of the town, the subject of countless tech blogs and YouTube reviews. Now get ready for the truth, this phone is a beast. It's not just another smartphone, it's a game changer. In its first 100 days it sold over 3.6 million units. That's an incredible feat in today's competitive market. That's not just good, it's record-breaking. It's a testament to the phone's appeal and quality. But why? What makes the K80 series so special? Let's dive in. First off, the price. It's incredibly affordable. Redmi always nails affordability and the K80 series is no exception. It offers value that's hard to beat, but don't let that fool you. This phone is built to last. This isn't some budget phone with cut corners. It's engineered with precision and care. The K80 series packs flagship features at a fraction of the cost. From a stunning display to a powerful camera, it has it all. It's a true flagship killer. The competition? They're sweating. They know they have a serious contender on their hands. Brands like OnePlus and Realme are feeling the heat, they're scrambling to keep up. The K80 series is gunning for their customers. And with good reason. It's offering something truly special. This phone delivers where it counts. Performance, design, and user experience are all top-notch. So what are you waiting for? Read on to discover why the Redmi K80 series is the phone everyone's talking about. It's time to join the revolution. Let's talk specs. The Redmi K80 series is here to redefine what you expect from a smartphone. The Redmi K80 series boasts the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a powerhouse in the world of mobile technology. This chipset is a monster, designed to handle anything you throw at it with ease. It chews through demanding games and apps without breaking a sweat, ensuring a seamless user experience. Forget lag, this phone is built for speed. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, it delivers top-notch performance. But it's not just about raw power. The K80 series offers a balanced experience with a host of other features. The K80 series also rocks a stunning 120Hz 2K OLED display, providing vibrant colors and sharp details. Trust me, once you go 120Hz, you can't go back. The difference is night and day. Everything is smoother, from scrolling through social media to gaming at high frame rates. It's a game changer. And the battery life? Let's just say you won't be tied to a charger all day. It's designed to keep up with your busy life. The K80 series has a massive battery that easily lasts through a full day of heavy use, so you can stay connected longer. Plus, with its fast charging capabilities, you'll be back up to 100% in no time, minimizing downtime. These features alone are enough to make the K80 series a winner in its class, but there's even more to explore. But Redmi didn't stop there. They have packed this phone with a plethora of additional features. They also packed in an incredible camera system that captures stunning photos and videos. More on that later.
The Redmi K80 series isn't just about specs. It's about real-world performance. It's designed to meet the needs of even the most demanding users. I put this phone through its paces, testing it in various scenarios to see how it holds up under pressure. And let me tell you, it delivers. Whether it's multitasking or running heavy applications, the K80 series handles it all with ease. Gaming on the K80 series is a dream. The high refresh rate and responsive touch controls make for an immersive experience. I tested it with Genshin Impact, one of the most demanding mobile games out there. The performance was nothing short of spectacular. The phone handled it flawlessly, with smooth frame rates and stunning graphics. No lag, no stutter, just pure gaming bliss. Even after hours of gaming, the phone barely got warm thanks to its advanced cooling system. This is a game changer for mobile gamers. Battery life is equally impressive. The K80 series is equipped with a long-lasting battery that keeps you powered throughout the day. I used the phone for a full day, streaming videos, browsing social media, and even doing some light gaming. It never let me down. The K80 series just kept going. No need to worry about running out of juice halfway through the day. I ended the day with plenty of battery to spare. It's reassuring to know you have that extra power when you need it. And then there's the camera. The K80 series is equipped with a top-tier camera system that captures every moment in stunning detail. The K80 series takes incredible photos and videos in any lighting condition. Whether it's bright daylight or low-light environments, it excels. From sharp daytime shots to vibrant nighttime photography, this phone's camera never disappoints. The colors are rich and the details are crisp. The image quality is up there with the best flagship phones on the market. It's a versatile camera that can handle any situation you throw at it.
This phone is a beast. The performance is incredible and the battery life is amazing.
I can't believe how affordable this phone is for the features you get. It's a steal.
The Redmi K80 series offers an unbeatable combination of performance and value.
So there you have it. The Redmi K80 series is a game changer. It's a powerful, feature-packed phone that doesn't break the bank. What are you waiting for? Head over to your nearest Redmi retailer or visit their website to grab yours today.